Let me show you what a Gmail email looks like on the new Galaxy Watch 9 and also Ultra 2 as well. So first, if you want to install the Gmail, you can simply go in the Play Store and in the search, simply type in Gmail. Okay. And you see the Gmail will appear here, and there will be install buttons that you can press and install, and it will get downloaded and installed. Once done, it will simply get placed in your all apps list, so at the end. So we can go here and launch it, and it will automatically launch your inbox. Also, we can use multiple different Gmail accounts on the same watch as well. So if you click here, I see all your accounts will get listed here that you have added on your watch essentially. Also, so you can go in the sent, notebooks, also, yeah, pretty much everything. So if you click on the inbox, so you see, for example, you can see your recent emails that you have received, and you can also open them up. And so you have a bunch of options here. So yeah, if you click more, you can kind of like open up the email. We can also discard it, like archive it, star it, and also we can reply to email as well. So if you click reply, you can simply type. Also, if you swipe up, you have voice input here as well. So you can speak something and it will write it for you. Yeah. And once you want to send the email, you press this check button here. So I'm not going to do that. I'll simply go back. So yeah, so you can easily also reply to emails here as well. And yeah, so was absolutely great in my opinion. Good luck.